market in Ondo State.
No, here now.
The chairman is here.
We are President Ohaneze Youth, you're here now. Yes. Southwest and ONDO State, you're here now. I'm here now. So, cabinet Ohaneze not here now. And then President. The President General Ohaneze Youth. And Ohaneze Southwest Nigeria, yes. The whole of 6 states in Southwest Nigeria. Guess that for you too. Also, here the Kamba. Are you better man? Here our chairman, Ojoba Traders Union. AKURE, yes. The name market is Then also, I already introduced the first secretary general. First secretary general and the founder. Ohaneze Igbo, Ohaneze ONDO State. And Ohamadike. Ohamadike. If we're not so sorry, you are obviously it's your body, Charlie. Still, we're Chama White. I'm about you, Eddie, I'm about to go out. So, I'm going on. I will here with the patron, Ojoba Traders Union. Yes, in the person of Chief Sunday Wood. Then, I'm going on Igwe's cabinet. In fact, the three. But one, I will go represent the youth. Now, the two of them now, Chief Hajinu Sume, Akubobindi. Papa father. I'm going to introduce one on that. I want to mistake him in the name of Chuko Pochara Yudi. Jack or just we go for Moses, Moroka, whatever that fire for, receive the Holy Spirit of Uzo Yanoko. And one former Vice President of the Federal Republic, Chief St. Friday of former. Oh, yeah, that's how we are. So you know, landlord. Oh yes, landlord. Why? I'm a mess up landlord. Landlord. What the president Ohaneze Igbo na ONDO State. Only one place is there. It's an author. He's the only author that go on here for next. Oh, so many schools. On the state. On the given. You know, Ghana go there or that's what teach here. So meet the president. That's the president. Market in the president. Yes. Since yesterday, I'm gonna get. I am that's a matter today. So my humble self, my special case of God, I'm Dr. Raymond from whatever. The PRO of SND. Thank you very much. That program. I'm looking forward to it. Get my name also. November 28th. All right. Thank you. All right, come on.